Hey, what's up? This is Ryan Hoover with Fit to Fight, and this is your Fit to Fight fix. Shadow boxing, whatever. Think about how incredible, if I'm just trying to touch, if I'm trying to get to like his subclavian artery, for example, which in terms of other targets is relatively easy. Think about how incredibly difficult that is to do. Look, just from jump, I have to get past that arm, and that's with him still standing there. So instead of focusing on that, I'm gonna focus on attacking anything that I can get to. So if Brad's hands are up and we're fighting or whatever, then that's what I get. If that's what I get, boom, fine, and then I get that, and then I get that, and then I get that. I have no idea if I hit any of the targets that guys would tell you should try to get. I don't care. I'm gonna try to do as much damage as I can in as short a period of time as I can as we're going. As opposed to thinking, okay, well, I have to hit him there, and I have to hit him there, and I have to hit him there, and I have to hit him there. I don't find it incredibly realistic under extreme stress when the guy's really fighting me. Even if, look at boxing at a high level. Professional boxers, how many punches do they throw with a big glove on and miss? More than not. So to think that I'm going to have better success isolating even smaller targets in an extremely violent situation just defies reality. I'm going to overwhelm him with aggressiveness. I'm going to overwhelm him with intent.